Hey everybody, it's Paul from Cary Estate Planning back with another video as part of our 2020 video challenge and continuing on the series of tips that you can do now to make things easier for yourself at the end of your life or your family after you're gone is leaving instructions for the guardian for any minor kids that you have. And this is sometimes considered a letter of intent. Some people call it the owner's manual for their kids, but it's essentially giving some context and instruction on how your kids are being raised now and what your intentions are for them should something happen to you after you're gone, if they're still minors. And so this basically is spelling out who their doctor is, where they go to school, what their temperament is, and what their preferences are for food and for recreation and for activities and those sort of things, so that the transition, heaven forbid it should ever happen, but if it does, is smoother, and that things can be maintained with a little bit more status quo for what you've been doing as their parent. And so the amount of context and instruction that you can give for a guardian, the more the better, right? It just doesn't leave anything, in question or unknown. So this is obviously probably one of the hardest things that you could do as a parent, because it makes you conceptualize a life for your kids without you. But it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it, right? So this is Paul from Cary Estate Planning.